The homecoming.
Hello, Sarah. I am home.
Hi, Alex. Welcome home.
Thank you. I am very tired today.
Are you okay? You look sad.
Yes, I am okay, but my body hurts.
Why? Did you walk a lot today?
No, I sat in my car for a long time.
Oh, was the traffic bad?
Yes, the traffic on the road was very bad.
You are late. It is 6:30 p.m. now.
Yes, I am 30 minutes late.
I am sorry. Did the cars move at all?
No, the cars did not move for 1 hour.
That is very bad. Did you have a hard day at work too?
Yes, I did. I had a lot of work.
Did you eat your lunch?
No, I did not eat my lunch today.
Oh no. Why not?
I did not have time. I was too busy.
That is not good. You must be very hungry now.
Yes, I am very hungry. My stomach hurts.
Don't worry. Dinner will be ready soon.
Thank you. How was your day?
My day was good. It was very quiet.
Did you finish your work early?
Yes. I finished everything at 4 p.m. Then I rested.
That is wonderful. I am happy for you.
Talking about work.
Thank you for the water, Sarah. I am very thirsty.
You are welcome. Drink it slowly.
That is much better.
So tell me, what happened at work today?
We had a big meeting at 3 p.m.
Yes, you told me about it yesterday.
It was a meeting with the big bosses.
Were you nervous?
Yes, I was very nervous. I had a presentation.
Did you have pictures on the computer?
Yes, but the computers stopped working.
Oh no. Before the meeting?
Yes, 5 minutes before the meeting.
Why? Did the internet break?
Yes, the main server died. The screen went black.
That is terrible. What did you do?
I was very scared. My heart beat fast.
Did you cry?
No, I did not cry, but I wanted to run away.
Did anyone help you?
Yes, my friend John helped me.
What did John do?
He went into the room. He talked to the bosses.
He bought you some time. That is good.
Yes, and I found a small USB drive.
Did you put the files on the USB drive?
Yes, then I put the drive into a laptop.
Did the laptop work?
Yes, it worked. We were only 10 minutes late.
Wow, you are very smart, Alex.
Thanks. The bosses were happy, but my head hurts now.
Go change your clothes. Put on your soft clothes. Making dinner.
Okay, I am back. I feel good now.
You look better, too.
Yes, I washed my face with cold water.
Great. The stove is hot now.
It smells very good. What is that smell?
It is garlic. We are eating chicken pasta tonight.
Wow, I love pasta. It is my favorite food.
I know. That is why I'm making it.
Can I help you cook?
Yes, please. I need your help.
What can I do? Tell me.
Open the cupboard. Get the olive oil.
Okay. He opens the cupboard. Here is the oil.
Thank you. Now, get the salt too.
Here is the salt. What is next?
We need the pasta noodles. Look in the pantry.
Okay, we have long noodles and small noodles.
Take the small noodles. They are better for chicken.
Do you want the whole box?
Yes. Cook the whole box, please.
Why the whole box? It is a lot of food.
We can eat the rest for lunch tomorrow.
Huh. Good idea. Leftovers are great for work.
Now, look at that big silver pot.
Yes, I see it. It is near the sink.
Fill it with water from the tap.
Okay, I am filling it now. It is heavy.
Put it on the stove. Turn the fire to high.
The pot is on the stove. The fire is on.
Perfect. Soon, the water will boil.
Plans for tomorrow. Alex, Sarah, look at the fridge. There is a circle here.
What is on the fridge?
The calendar. Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Yes, tomorrow is Wednesday.
Why?
There is a big red circle on tomorrow.
Oh, yes, I forgot.
It says school meeting. What is that?
It is Lily's parent-teacher meeting.
Ah, yes, the meeting with her teacher.
We must go to her school tomorrow.
What time is the meeting?
It is at 4:15 in the afternoon.
That is early. How do we go there?
I will leave my office at 3:45 p.m.
Will you pick up Lily first?
Yes, she is in after-school care. I will get her.
Okay, but the school parking lot is always full.
Yes, it is very hard to park a car there.
I have an idea. I can go early. Can you leave work early tomorrow? Yes, I will leave my office at 3:30 p.m. Do you have any meetings tomorrow afternoon? No, I will block my calendar now.
That is great, Alex. Thank you.
I will find a good parking space.
Excellent. I will meet you at the school door.
What time? At 4 p.m.?
Yes, meet us at the front door at 4 p.m.
Perfect. I want to talk to her teacher about math.
Me too. Math is very hard for Lily right now.
Eating and relaxing.
Wow, Sarah, this looks beautiful.
Thank you. Eat it while it is hot.
This is amazing.
Is it good? Is there enough salt?
Yes. The flavor is perfect. You are a great cook.
Thank you. I am glad you like it. Let's do something special tonight.
What do you want to do?
Let's turn off our mobile phones.
Now? At the dinner table?
Yes. No phones tonight. He turns off his phone.
Okay. She turns off her phone. No phones.
This is nice. No work emails. No stress.
Yes. Just you, me, and good food.
What will we do after dinner?
Let's watch a movie on TV.
That sounds good. Can we sit on the sofa?
Yes. We can make some hot tea too.
What kind of movie do you want to watch?
I want to watch a funny movie.
Me too. I want to laugh tonight.
My friend told me about a good comedy today.
Great. Let's watch that one.
But first, we must clean the kitchen.
Don't worry about the kitchen, Sarah.
Why? The pots are dirty.
I will wash the dishes tonight.
Are you sure? You are tired.
Yes, I am sure. You cooked. I will clean.
You are a very sweet husband. Thank you.
You are welcome. Let's finish our dinner now.